Hello and welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we will be covering the basics of using slicers in Excel. Slicers are a powerful tool that can help you filter and analyze your data more efficiently. Let's get started and learn it.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data, and you can see that the data is related to various food items that belongs to fruit or vegetable category. And in the next column we have the sales amount. So imagine that if we have a large set of data and we wanted to see only a portion of data on the basis of a certain category, then in this type of scenario, slicer function is very helpful. So how we can apply it? Let's learn. First of all, we have to change our data into the structured data. To convert it into a structured table, I am going to select it by pressing Ctrl A. After this, I have to change it into table, so I will use a shortcut Ctrl T. When I press the shortcut Ctrl T, this create table dialog box open, and here I will make sure that this my table has header is checked, and then I will click OK. Now the data is changed into the table. After this, I'll go to the Insert tab, and here on the right side I will find this slicer option. So I will click it. When I click this Insert Slicer box open, here I have to choose that on which basis I want to slice my data. For example, if I want to slice it on the basis of the category, I will simply check this category and then I will press OK. So here you can see that two types of categories are created, fruit and vegetable. So for example, if I click the fruit, only the data related to the fruit item is displayed in this table, and when I click the vegetable, the data related to the vegetable category is organized in this table. Now I am going to do some formatting changes to this box. So first of all, I am going to this column option on the top, and here I will change it to 2. I will place this category on the top of this table. So I will make it a little bit small by dragging it, and then I will make it a little bit wider so that it can fit on the top of the table. So here we can see that visually appealing category is created on the top of the table. We just need to click the buttons to get the desired data out of the large dataset we have. Thank you for watching our tutorial on using slicers in Excel. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials.